Now we are doing our dinner. Na nimemwambia leo tunafanya mambo Mombasani, yani pweza. Pweza kupita pweza. So we are dancing. Yeah. Yeah. This is pweza. You can just check that.
Octopus.
Yeah, this is octopus. And you're having this for dinner. The guests will be really happy. Ooh, look at that.
Looks scary.
Looks scary?
Yeah.
So first of all, we have to wash the head. The head has got this black ink. So we have to wash it thoroughly, right? We wash it thoroughly. Come. There's a very big difference between octopus and calamari. But all the squid, but both of them they have got black ink. The ink it is a defensive mechanism.
Which ink?
The black ink, yeah. I will tell you more about octopus. Thank you. And
This one,
no.
the mouth.
Just push it and then you just see how it looks like. When you finish to wash it, make sure there's no ink coming out. Never mind about the black spots. If you just boil it, this black spot will turn into brown. So don't mind about this black spot, but as long as no ink, it means that our octopus is ready.
It's clean.
Yeah, it's clean. Now we take it to a boiler. Our octopus. Ready. See the tentacles? That sound? Thank you.
What?
Just chop our ginger, but already cleaned, washed. For the garlic, just crush. And to give the flavor, you want to give some flavor to the octopus, what it calls. This is some dhania and some dill. This is the dill. This is dhania. So we just rough chop.
Coriander.
Yeah, coriander. Some people call it coriander, other dhania. Just rough chop it, or you can just give it whole. And this is the lemon. So we take that, all this into the into the give some flavors, right? That you just that. Okay, some salt. As it continues to boil, let me take you to Wembley.
What?
If you want to know it's ready, you just have to cut a piece. Then just look at it. I just use sewing. Yeah, it's very good now.
Ready?
Yeah, you can have a try. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. As you can see, our octopus is ready. What else? We have our ingredients here. That we cook. We've got onions. I'll show them. We've got onions, ginger, garlic, and this is our octopus. Just have to make them a good stew. And this is our seafood stock from the octopus. You don't have to strain it all of it. You just have to have a little bit. Ndio supu ya pweza. The ingredients, the lemon, the dill, the garlic, the ginger, that infusion brings the octopus with good flavors. The parts in the octopus. So from this we use it or stock the rest and dispose it. But if you want it, you can just store it in a fridge, strain it in a fridge. If you clean your seafood, you can just use it. Okay? Yeah. That's a good boy. Another cool one. They can take even out.
So this is the head.
And this is the head. Then put your garlic. Then put your ginger. The whole bit stir. Put some fish masala, a little bit, sauce. Put our dhania, roughly chopped like that. Okay. Then koroga. Koroga baba vurunya. Put some legs. At that point, you incorporate your ingredients with sauces. You can a little bit of lemon. Then put your stock. I'm saying you let it cook.
How long?
Not long, just incorporate the ingredients. See? From there, just taste your sauce. Put our tomato. Just add a little bit stock. Let it reduce until it's thick. I'll show you when it's ready.
There we go, we got our octopus stew, rice and some vegetables. And remember, while eating octopus, guys, don't eat it when you're alone. You must have someone. Someone to enjoy the good mood. Because the cooking couple got you guys. For good food, good mood.
Yeah, we are done with the day.
Yeah, we're done with the day. We had just had the guest for 2 days, and tomorrow we're here for breakfast at 8. Yeah, the food was good. It was amazing. Octopus, stew, vegetables. It was good.
Yeah, we are done. We're done. See you tomorrow.